Forgot your iWatchYou DVR password. Here is the 5 easy steps to retrieve your password. Step 1, going to menu below, then click Login. Step 2, click Retrieved Password, then click Dynamic. Step 3, take a picture and send it to our email, cctv@openpinoy.com. Wait for our reply. Step 4, once we send you the dynamic password, type the given password, then click OK. Step 5, put your desired password and confirm it. Check if the password is matched, then click OK. You can now log in to double-check your password. And with that, you can retrieve your password easily.